morning. How you all doing? Hope you all are doing well. So in previous sessions we have learned how to introduce ourselves. Right? Did you all practice to introduce yourself? Hope you have practiced. So in this session we are going to learn about body parts. Do you know our body has different body parts? Right? See, eyes, nose, mouth, lips. Mouth will be considered with teeth, tongue, right? Cheeks, forehead, head, right? Hands, neck, right? Legs. So all these different body parts are considered as our body. Okay? Let us see some examples. What are the many body parts we have through the flashcards. So this is hair. Okay? Hair. So in the last session when we are discussing about how to introduce ourselves, as I told you, people will have different colors of hair. You can see here it is black color. Some people will have different color. Na? This is hair. This is head. Okay. Let us see what are the parts we have to this head. Head is over and you can see this part. This part is this one. Forehead. This is head. This is forehead. Okay. Next, eyebrows. People will have different shapes of eyebrows also. Okay. Eyebrows. Repeat one more time. Eyebrows. Under that eyebrows, eye. People will have different colors of eyeball. I told you in the last session, different colors of hair as well as different color of eyeball. This is eyes. How many eyes do we have usually? 2 eyes, right? So below that eyes we have nose. What is this? Nose. So this is ear. What do we do with ears? We listen sounds, right? Ear. Lips. Lips. Repeat one more time. This is lips. Below the nose we have lips. If we open, this is mouth. This is mouth. If we close our mouth, we can see lips. If we open our mouth, this is our mouth. Let us see what is there inside. Inside the mouth, there are teeth. These are teeth. Okay. Tongue. Say one more time. Tongue. This is tongue. Lips, teeth, tongue. The whole thing is called mouth. This is neck. Below the mouth, chin. This is chin, children. If you want, I will show you here in the clearly. See. First, forehead. Below the forehead, eyebrows. Below the eyebrows, eyes. 2 eyes we have. And this is nose. Beside to this, ears will be there. And below the nose, mouth, lips. Inside the mouth, we have teeth, tongue. And this is chin. Okay. This is chin. And these are cheeks. These are cheeks. Now below this chin we have neck, which is this one. This is neck. Now below the head, shoulder. This is shoulder. This is chest. Below the shoulder, chest. So shoulders finished, chest finished. Below the chest, this is stomach. This is stomach. Let's repeat one more time. Stomach. This is back. This is the back part. This is front. Front we have shoulders, chest, stomach, and this is back of our body. These are hands. This is hand. How many hands do we have? 2 hands. This is hand. Let us see what are the parts we have to these hands. These are fingers. These are fingers. To this hands, 2 hands we have. Each hand will have 5 fingers. You can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that, 2 hands we have. Total 10 fingers we have. To our hands. Now, to that fingers we have nails. This is nail. Okay? Nail. And if we see the bottom part of our body, this is thigh. This is thigh. Repeat one more time. Thigh. See the arrow? This is thigh. And if you see the curved part here, it's curve, right? This is knee. Knee. Below this thigh, this is thigh now. Below this thigh we have knee. We have 2 legs and 2 thighs, 2 knees. Okay? This is ankle. This one is ankle. So this is ankle. To this leg. To this leg, this part is called ankle. Let me show you clearly here. See, this part is ankle. Okay? Now, see, if we see this one, as I told you, this is ankle. Now let us see this part. This is foot. This is foot. And these are, the tip of this foot are toes. If for this hands, we will call this as fingers, right? But for this legs, we will call it as toes. Okay? These are toes. So children, we have seen the different body parts, right? So in the next session, we will see the textbook part, what we have to do in that. Okay? Till then, bye-bye.